Hey, language learners! Let's learn 100 health problems and illness vocabulary in English. Fever.
Fever.
I stayed home because I had a high fever. Cold.
Cold.
I caught a cold after getting wet in the rain. Flu.
Flu.
Flu season is here, so get your shots. Cough.
Cough.
This dry cough is really bothering me. Infection.
Infection.
The cut got infected because I didn't clean it. Allergy.
Allergy.
My allergies are acting up because of the pollen. Food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
I think the seafood gave me food poisoning. Dehydration.
Dehydration.
Drink water to avoid dehydration during your workout. Heat stroke.
Heat stroke.
He suffered a heat stroke while hiking in the sun. Fatigue.
Fatigue.
After the long trip, I felt extreme fatigue. Anxiety.
Anxiety.
Anxiety keeps me up at night. Depression.
Depression.
Depression can make everyday tasks hard. Insomnia.
Insomnia.
Insomnia makes it difficult to get a full night's sleep. Stress.
Stress.
Stress at work is affecting my health. Panic attacks.
Panic attacks.
She had a panic attack before the presentation. Bipolar disorder.
Bipolar disorder.
Bipolar disorder involves mood swings. Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD.
Obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD.
OCD makes her repeat actions multiple times. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD.
Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD.
PTSD can be triggered by certain sounds or memories. Phobia.
Phobia.
She has a phobia of spiders. Burnout.
Burnout.
Work-related burnout is affecting his health. Indigestion.
Indigestion.
Seafood gives me indigestion. Nausea.
Nausea.
The boat ride caused nausea. Vomiting.
Vomiting.
He felt better after vomiting. Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea is common after eating contaminated food. Constipation.
Constipation.
He drinks more water to avoid constipation. Acid reflux.
Acid reflux.
Spicy food triggers her acid reflux. Bloating.
Bloating.
I feel bloated after eating too fast. Gas.
Gas.
Carbonated drinks can cause gas. Irritable bowel syndrome.
Irritable bowel syndrome.
She manages IBS with a special diet. Stomach cramps.
Stomach cramps.
Stomach cramps are common during periods. Dizziness.
Dizziness.
Standing up too fast makes me feel dizzy. Fainting.
Fainting.
The heat caused her to faint. Seizure.
Seizure.
A seizure requires immediate medical attention. Memory loss.
Memory loss.
Stress can sometimes cause temporary memory loss. Tremors.
Tremors.
His hands tremble when he's nervous. Stroke.
Stroke.
A stroke requires emergency care. Numbness.
Numbness.
My hands feel numb in cold weather. Tingling sensation.
Tingling sensation.
I get a tingling sensation in my feet after sitting too long. Sciatica.
Sciatica.
Sciatica causes pain down one leg. Neuralgia.
Neuralgia.
Neuralgia is sharp, sudden nerve pain. Headache.
Headache.
I can't concentrate with this headache. Migraine.
Migraine.
Her migraines get worse with bright lights. Toothache.
Toothache.
I have a toothache. I need to see a dentist. Earache.
Earache.
My earache started after swimming. Back pain.
Back pain.
He has back pain from sitting too long. Neck pain.
Neck pain.
I woke up with neck pain from a bad pillow. Joint pain.
Joint pain.
The cold weather worsens my joint pain. Muscle ache.
Muscle ache.
That workout gave me muscle aches everywhere. Stomachache.
Stomachache.
Eating too much candy gave me a stomachache. Chest pain.
Chest pain.
Chest pain can sometimes be a sign of a heart problem. Asthma.
Asthma.
She carries an inhaler because of her asthma. Shortness of breath.
Shortness of breath.
She felt shortness of breath after climbing the stairs. Pneumonia.
Pneumonia.
The doctor said he has pneumonia and needs rest. Bronchitis.
Bronchitis.
Bronchitis causes a persistent cough and wheezing. Sinusitis.
Sinusitis.
My sinusitis flares up during cold weather. Chronic cough.
Chronic cough.
He went to the doctor for his chronic cough. Wheezing.
Wheezing.
Wheezing can be a symptom of asthma. Nasal congestion.
Nasal congestion.
I couldn't sleep because of nasal congestion. Sore throat.
Sore throat.
Drinking warm tea helps soothe a sore throat. Tonsillitis.
Tonsillitis.
She missed school because of tonsillitis. Pimple.
Pimple.
I woke up with a pimple on my forehead. Rash.
Rash.
This new lotion gave me a rash. Ting.
Itching.
My mosquito bite is itching a lot. Eczema.
Eczema.
Her eczema gets worse during winter. Psoriasis.
Psoriasis.
Psoriasis causes red, scaly patches on the skin. Acne.
Acne.
Teenagers often deal with acne. Sunburn.
Sunburn.
I forgot sunscreen and got a sunburn. Dry skin.
Dry skin.
I use moisturizer for my dry skin in winter. Bruising.
Bruising.
He bruised his arm while playing football. Blisters.
Blisters.
New shoes gave me blisters. High blood pressure.
High blood pressure.
He takes medication for high blood pressure. Low blood pressure.
Low blood pressure.
Low blood pressure makes me feel faint. Heart attack.
Heart attack.
Chest pain can be a sign of a heart attack. Palpitations.
Palpitations.
I sometimes feel palpitations when I'm stressed. Blood clot.
Blood clot.
A blood clot in the leg can be dangerous. Anemia.
Anemia.
Fatigue can be a symptom of anemia. Varicose veins.
Varicose veins.
Standing too long can cause varicose veins. Poor circulation.
Poor circulation.
Poor circulation makes my feet cold. Chest tightness.
Chest tightness.
Stress can lead to chest tightness. Hypertension.
Hypertension.
Hypertension runs in my family. Fracture.
Fracture.
He fractured his wrist while skateboarding. Sprain.
Sprain.
I sprained my ankle playing basketball. Dislocation.
Dislocation.
She dislocated her shoulder in a fall. Arthritis.
Arthritis.
Arthritis makes joint movement painful. Osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis.
Osteoporosis weakens bones, increasing fracture risk. Carpal tunnel syndrome.
Carpal tunnel syndrome.
Typing all day worsens my carpal tunnel syndrome. Tendinitis.
Tendinitis.
Tendinitis causes pain in overused tendons. Frozen shoulder.
Frozen shoulder.
Frozen shoulder limits arm movement. Plantar fasciitis.
Plantar fasciitis.
Heel pain is a symptom of plantar fasciitis. Shin splints.
Shin splints.
Shin splints are common in runners. Menstrual cramps.
Menstrual cramps.
Menstrual cramps can be very painful. Urinary tract infection (UTI).
Urinary tract infection, UTI.
Frequent urination is a symptom of UTI. Continence.
Incontinence.
Incontinence is common after childbirth. Kidney stones.
Kidney stones.
Kidney stones cause severe back pain. Prostate problems.
Prostate problems.
Prostate issues can lead to urinary difficulties. Infertility.
Infertility.
Infertility can be emotionally challenging. Endometriosis.
Endometriosis.
Endometriosis causes pain during menstruation. Pelvic pain.
Pelvic pain.
Pelvic pain can be a sign of infection. Vaginal irritation.
Vaginal irritation.
Vaginal irritation can result from infections. Testicular pain.
Testicular pain.
He visited the doctor for testicular pain. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Stay tuned for exciting content and updates. See you soon.